Doctors at Miami's Holtz Children's Hospital are making medical headlines around the world.
They saved an infant with a rare liver disease by using a procedure that had never been used before. CBS 4's Carly Barnett explains.
Family and staff at Holtz Children's Hospital are celebrating a medical milestone.
Here we are now.
Surgeons with the Miami Transplant Institute were the first in the world to use two breakthrough technologies in order to perform the life-saving transplant on a tiny patient. Michael David Angelo was born September 2018 with a rare genetic liver disease.
Finally, January 14 is when they told us that he has biliary atresia.
His only chance at survival was a liver transplant.
We listed him and we end up accepting a liver from, I believe it was a 2-year-old, but still was very big. So we had to cut just a piece.
But the problem was his size. The Miami Transplant Institute had only ever performed surgeries on babies weighing more than 13 pounds. Michael weighed only 8. But medical professionals used what they consider revolutionary devices in order to make it possible.
We're left with very tiny vessels and structures to reconstruct. And that's when we're lucky enough that we had just started talking about this technology of 3D surgery with increase in the size.
One is called the Thunderbeat, which allows for tiny and precise incisions. The other, called the Orb Eye, provides images magnified up to 26 times, showing them on 4K 3D monitors, the surgeons wearing 3D glasses. On February 28th, Michael received his life-saving liver transplant at Holtz Children's Hospital. He was the first in the world to undergo this procedure. His parents are grateful for the technology, the medical knowledge, and the donor's family, who gave them the gift of life.
Now my son is here because of that.
We will forever be an advocate of donation.
Michael has been recovering in the hospital, and now, a healthy 9-month-old, he's being released.
I thank God every single day that he sent us this amazing team that helped save my son's life. So we're going home.
That procedure took about 4 hours with a team of 4 surgeons. Michael is recovering well. He will soon be off all of his medications, and he is 9 months old tomorrow. Carly Barnett, CBS 4 News.